subscribers.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why I saw the camera and I'm like,
Yeah.
wow.
In his
this
back,
guy is
there's
a creator.
this one.
Hello. Hello. Say hello. Oh. Maybe I should come to your country next time.
Okay.
Where should I come? Manila?
Subscribe. We're from Olongapo.
You are from Olongapo?
Yes, one
Please,
of the province in
greet them in your language and tell them that you are in Thailand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, speak in Filipino. In Filipino.
Ay, mga
Yeah.
Olongapeños.
hello mga Olongapeños.
Look at how the girls are wearing. Yeah, because it's it's hot. It's hot. Yeah. Yo, bro. Hey, what's up? How much is this?
20 baht.
Yes, a baht. So guys, this is smoked maize. Yeah, I want to try this one. Maybe this one.
Open.
Let me try this.
Open.
Yeah, open. Open. I want to show my subscribers how is life in Thailand. Wow, so big, so big. Yes, you see, I've got other customers. Where is my money? Bro, where are you from?
From Dubai.
Dubai?
Yes.
Oh, good to see you. Okay. I'm looking for my money. Sister, where you from? Huh? Come. Yeah. Give a shout out to yourself. Promote your brand.
Oh, I don't have brand. I just do it for
Yeah,
myself.
TikTok. People want to follow you.
Liza Shanias.
Huh?
Liza Shanias.
Desire Shanias.
Yes.
Okay, from Malaysia.
Yes, from Malaysia.
Kuala Lumpur.
Yes, Kuala Lumpur.
Bukit Bundang. Huh?
Kuala Lumpur.
Ah.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Okay, take care. Bro,
Hello.
what's up? I like your son camera.
Oh, thank you.
What do you do with it?
Nothing. I'm not creator. You creator?
Yeah.
YouTuber?
Yeah. I do YouTube. How about your girlfriend? What does she do?
She's teacher.
Oh, teacher?
Teacher in Korea.
Oh, Korea, Seoul. I want to come to Korea.
What's your channel?
I am _Williams. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah. Bro, sell to everyone. Yes, thank you. Guys, here we in Pratunam. Okay, we are in Pratunam.
Hello. I'm from South Korea.
This
You're
one.
from South Korea?
Oh, this one.
헷갈린 것 같은데. 자기 얼굴 잘 모르잖아.
South Korea,
Yeah. No, North Korea.
not North Korea, right? This one. Subscribe.
Wow.
Show me some love.
9,000.
Yes.
Actually, he's a YouTuber too. And
Oh,
he has almost same subscribers.
really?
Yeah.
That's why I saw the camera and I'm like,
Yeah.
wow.
In his
this
back,
guy is
there's
a creator.
this one.
Show us your YouTube channel so they will follow.
Oh, subscribe.
Yeah. Show us your.
So this is his channel,
Okay, guys.
Mr. Beer. Not
Guys, go to Mr. Beard. Mr. Beard, right? Go to Mr. Beard
How about
and,
dogs?
about dogs. Our
and
dog.
subscribe to him. What is your content all about?
Yeah, how about dogs?
About dogs.
My
Korean
dog.
life. Korean life.
Oh, Korean life.
Korean life.
When I come to
and-
Korea, you can take me around.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
please.
Yeah, yes. Let me take a screenshot because it's like I don't
Not
have
like
even.
Mr. Beard. 뭐지? Mr. 뭐더라? Beast. Not
No,
Mr.
no,
Beast.
not Mr. Beats, right? Yeah, Mr. Beard. Yeah,
Nice
take
to
care,
meet
guys.
you.
Have a good time.
Okay, scan that, Mai. Okay. So how many customers have you made from me? Huh? How many customers have you made from me?
I no speak.
Put ภาษาอังกฤษนิดหน่อย
อ๋อ อันนี้ไม่ได้เลย
โอ้ Wow, it's so hot. This is a kind of
corn.
Yeah, this is a corn, but it's kind of roasted, right?
Okay, well then, more.
It's so hot, like.
Very good. Sure? Nice. So, sweet.
It's so sweet, guys. It's so hot, and I'm not that.
So sweet.
What's your name?
My name Ahmad from Dubai.
Ah, your name from. You are from Dubai, right?
Yes, United Arab Emirates.
How long have you been here?
4 days.
Oh,
Tomorrow I go to Phuket.
Dubai, which side?
Which area?
Yeah, which
Barsha.
area?
Barsha.
Bashar.
Have you been
So
there?
no, I've not been there, but I have many friends there.
Welcome.
Guys from the UAE, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Saudi,
Dubai.
EDC,
Umm Al
Dubai.
Quwain, Fujairah.
Fujairah,
Yeah.
Jumeirah.
Jumeirah also in Dubai.
Your guy is here. Your guy is here.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
tomorrow you're going to Phuket?
Yeah, go to Phuket.
Phuket which side? Patong?
First time I
Oh,
been there.
first time.
I not been there before.
Patong?
Sorry. I not been. Baton is nice.
Patong is really nice.
I not been there.
Go
before.
to Patong, Patong Beach,
Okay.
Kanta Beach.
Okay.
Then you have to go to, there is a walking street called I'm forgetting the name.
I will
Bangla.
search. I will-
Bangla walking street.
I will search there. When I've been there, I will search. Don't worry. I have
You
one.
like going to club?
I have one time there lady. She will show me everywhere.
Oh, how that I
Yeah. She will show me for
Wait,
tourists.
Let me ask you.
She's there showing. Hey.
Wait. How are the Thai ladies?
Huh?
How are Thai ladies? You like them?
She's just show me.
Oh,
That's just for tourists.
that's so cool. Okay. Bro, take care of yourself, okay? Yeah. Yes, guys. Now, this is the face of Pratunam, and I just want to share a little bit of small tips to visit this place. One, be prepared for the prices, because in most cases, prices here are kind of like negotiable. You can negotiate prices. Two, you have to put closed shoes, because in this place you will walk a lot. Yeah, you can see there is kind of a little bit congestion of people. So just know that you cannot take a bike here. At any shop or any stall that you're going to be visiting, you must walk. Next is to be hydrated. Keep hydrated, man. Have a drink, grab something close to you, like find a 7-Eleven, buy water, buy that juice, and make sure that, man, you stay hydrated, because the place is really congested and it has a lot of humidity, you know. And Pratunam is located in Lachateri district, that is Bangkok province, and Bangkok is the capital city. So this market is known for a variety of clothing and other products, and it attracts a lot of foreigners and also local traders doing wholesale and a little bit of retail selling. So what is the best times to go to this market? Day market, okay? The main market operates daily from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. with the best time to visit being between 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. I think we are doing this in the right way. So if you are to come to this market, make sure that you come between 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. What do you have to come and buy? There are a lot of many clothing, souvenirs, and cheap clothing. This one is 100 bucks. Yeah. Yes. We also have a night market. Pratunam Night Market also starts around 6 p.m. and goes until midnight, offering more shopping, food. Yes. This market has like maybe 3 sessions. Now in this case, don't expect to try these things of let me try this skirt, let me try this shirt. No trying and no returning, like no refund. you know. So that is a win-win situation. When you come to buy, just know you've come to buy, know your size, be ready not to try, not trying in. Yeah, so I'll be taking you around more areas of the market, but still, I want to thank everyone that is tuned in and supporting this amazing YouTube channel. My name is William and my work is just simple. This guy is trying in. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Kabayan? You are Kabayans? You are from Philippines? How are you doing?
You're from Philippines also.
Kamusta?
No,
Know how to
I'm,
speak.
I'm not from Philippines.
You came to the Philippines?
Yeah, but I can hear your accent. I can tell.
Okay.
Yeah. I can tell that you are Kabayan.
You're so smart daw.
Yeah, I'm so smart. What is your name?
My name is Eka.
Ek?
Hi,
Wow,
sawadee
I like your t-shirt.
Wow.
It's really nice.
You want?
Oh.
Eme.
You're from what country?
Uganda.
Uganda.
I come from Uganda.
So you're visiting here after
Yeah,
2
yeah.
days?
Yeah.
Solo travel?
Yeah, so travel.
Oh, you're a
And you're a
vlogger.
Yeah. Maybe I should come to your country next time.
Okay.
Where should I come? Manila?
Subscribe.
We're from Olongapo.
You are from Olongapo.
Yes, one
Please,
of the province in
greet them in your language and tell them that you are in Thailand.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, speak in Filipino.
Filipino?
In Filipino.
Ay, mga
Yeah.
Olongapeños.
Hello mga Olongapeños. We're here in Thailand. It's a beautiful country.
Wow. How do I
Same as
say thank you?
Philippines.
Kopku.
No, that is
in
Thai.
Philippines.
Oh, in Philippines.
Salamat.
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 Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Hi.
Mabuhay. Salamat. Philippines.
Hi.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
In your
Yes.
vlog.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Subscribe to his
My
vlog.
channel is Williams Official. I'm Williams
you
Official.
are.
You can check. Do you have internet?
Okay sa'yo ba? Okay.
So how long have you been in Thailand?
Only 4 days and 3 nights.
4 days and 3 nights. Ah.
We're going back to the Philippines on Monday,
Oh.
September 1.
Okay. Do you like Thai food?
Yeah?
William.
I'm Williams.
Delicious.
I am _ Williams. Oh, you're with them?
Kuya Robert.
Wow.
Martin.
He's
Our
called
friend.
Robert.
Yes.
Good to
His
see
name
you.
is Robert.
Is it raining?
Oh, it's raining.
Those those are blessings. If it rains, those are blessings.
What?
It should rain.
Because of the heat, right?
Yeah.
So hot. Okay na? Yeah. Kaya para maka-sleepy na tayo. Bukas, ganyan pa yun.
My channel, where is it?
Bye-bye. Describing I am William's channel.
Oh my God, where is it?
Thank you
Bye-bye.
From Philippines.
Oh,
Yeah. But visiting Thailand.
for the first time.
Yeah.
No, me for second time.
Is it?
Okay.
That's my channel.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Nice meeting
Okay.
you.
Nice meeting you guys. Take
Subscribe
care.
and follow.
Tandai man.
Ay, ito baka dito na yung... Baka kita sa September. Thank you.
Okay. For the gases guys, you have to come here. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. A long time, you know. Guys, this is Pratunam. It's late night, you know. We're doing shopping like crazy. The tuk-tuks are here. Man, what are you waiting to come and buy your own panty, shirt? Look at how the girls are wearing. Yeah, because it's, you know, it's hot. It's hard. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Bro, what's up? What's up? I want to buy this machine. Where can I buy it? Guys, this is a machine that I'm looking for. It makes clothing. You know? That is the famous Bangkok Center. Look at it. The tallest building in Bangkok, if not in Thailand, the entire Thailand. It's called Bangkok Sky Hotel. Guys, what I can tell you, Pratunam is so big. Sneakers are here. The bags are here. What else do you want me to show you guys? I want to thank everyone that is tuned in and supporting this amazing YouTube channel. My name is William.